Do you want to learn how to find products on Zendrop? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, on your Zendrop dashboard, on the left hand side, you're going to find these options. Click on Find Products, this thing, and it's going to take you over to Find Products section. And on the top, you're going to search for products. You can search for products from this search bar. And on the right hand side, you're going to see all these drop downs. So ship from anywhere, ship from US, China, all categories. You can search for these categories, and then you've got these suppliers and the price range. Under this search bar, we have got new arrivals. You can check out all the new arrivals that they have got. And let's say I like one of them. I like this one, hydrogen water machine, and I want to drop ship this item. So I will go inside it. And here I can see they have got these two variants. One is 420 ml, other one is cup body. And shipping, if you click the shipping, you can choose the country and see its shipping rates. So let's say I want to ship to Canada, it will change the shipping rates for that country. And also the shipping time. You'll also see the average shipping time and the total product cost. Now this sizing charts, this is if you're drop shipping an item which is a clothing item, then you can see the woman's sizing chart or men's sizing chart. These are all the pictures that this company has taken. You can use them, but it's advisable that you use an AI to make a really good photo of this. Just take this and use AI to get nice pictures made for your dropship store. Now this is the product description. You can copy this and use this in your dropshipping store, or you can use this in an AI software like ChatGPT and rewrite it to make something unique, but keeping all the essential features there, like specifications and such. Then you can add to my products. You can click on this, add to my products, and it's going to be added to your products. Now if you go to my products, I will see that I have that product here in import list. And now I can review and publish. And we will have a pop-up like this open up with product, the picture, the product name, product tags. You can set up product tags like this, and then product type. Now in the collection, you can select the Zendrop collections. One we have selected is kitchen and consumer electronics, which is good enough. And once we are done with this and product tags and the product name, you can go to description, change the description. From here, you've got all these options, like you can add a link, make a text bold, italic and such. Then there's variants. You can hide or unhide these. You can check or uncheck these variants from here. Sale price, you can set the sale price, and whatever sale price you choose, make sure that it's above these two combinations to make a profit. And these are all the images that it has took. Now just publish to my store, and when you click this, it will ask you to connect your store. So we're going to go here, and it's going to say choose your platform. So you can either choose a TikTok US account or ClickFunnels or Shopify. I'm going to click here, and it's going to say this again. It says, hey, let's connect your Shopify store to Zendrop. If you already have a Shopify store, you can connect a store from here, or you can claim my custom AI build store, which is going to build an AI theme for you for Shopify. And then when you click on continue, it's going to simply make a demo account on Shopify, and it's going to give you that account so that you can use it and you can upgrade from there. But it's advisable that you connect with your own store. Go to Shopify by clicking the link in the description, and then on Shopify, just start a free trial, which is much better. Now, if I click on claim my custom AI build store and click on continue, the AI is going to automatically set up the store, is going to set up the design layouts and everything. And then down here, you will see your store is ready with login and password. And then you can log in from here, or you can activate your Shopify store plan for just $1. So instead of the amount that you have to pay for basic plan, which is $29 per month, you would be paying $1 for the first month. Activate your plan from here, or you can transfer ownership to your email. Now, once we click here, you will see something like this. I'm going to go here, click on this, copy this, go to my Shopify store, continue with email, and for the password, I'm going to use this one and paste it over here and log in. And there you go. Our Shopify store with a trial account is logged in. It says 2 days left in your trial, and then you can just upgrade for $1 for an entire month. Now, if you go to my products again, you will see your product here and review and publish. If I click on this, select publish to my store. And once you do that, it's going to give you this pop-up which says product will show 50,000 inventory in your store. This is just placeholder since we do not have a real-time inventory. And these things are there. You can read them. Got it? Please don't display this message again and confirm. And it's going to automatically post this product to your store on Shopify. And now it says the connection status is linked. So let's take a look on our Shopify admin page. And here you go. The description, the title, everything is set up. The variants, the search engine listing, product organization, you can fill it up if you want. And this is it. Now let's preview this on the front end. There you go. Your Shopify store that is linked with Zendrop. You have found a product and you have listed it on your Shopify store easily with Zendrop and Shopify, of course. Now people can buy from here, add to cart and buy from here. Now make sure to have your Shopify payments selected. Like you can complete account setup and then you can just use Shopify payments to accept payments from your customers, or you can have an additional payment methods like PayPal, or if I go over here, I can search for maybe Payoneer. It's not available. You can see all of these options are here. And now that we have done that, I would also like to tell you that there is an option in Zendrop to find trending products. To do that, under the extras, you will have trending products. For this, you need to upgrade your Zendrop plan, which will be the Plus plan, which is $79 per month, which is going to be $79 per month. You need to upgrade to this plan to be able to use trending products. With trending products, you will be able to see all the products that are currently trending, and it's going to generate sales for you easily. So it's best to get the Plus plan. I've put the link to both Shopify and Zendrop down in the description for you to check it out. So this is how you can find products in Zendrop. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.